So let me show you how to use Google Veo 3 for free, and also you get unlimited options without the need of adding your credit card or anything like that. So you create beautiful videos like this, and let's begin. So Google Wix is a free tool or service from Google that you can use to create videos. If you come right here, you notice that I have some videos that I've created already, and these are the videos that you watch. And it uses Veo 3, which means you can use Google Veo 3 for free. So to have access to this, you can go to Google and search for Google Image Effects, and it's going to bring you to the Google Labs website, which is labs.google.com. So you can also do that with Google Wix. So you can search for Whisk. Again, it's going to bring you right here. So if you come here, this is the first thing you need to do is you need to actually give it a prompt to generate the images. Also, you can come here. If you click on add images here, you can give it a subject. So if you want it to use a subject, you can upload a picture or write a prompt. Also, you can give it a scene, like what you want it to do and all of that. And you can also give it the style. But what I've done is I've gone to ChatGPT and I've collected an image prompt. So I want to come back here and I want to click on hide images and can give it a prompt of my ideas. So first we need to generate the pictures, and it's currently generating the pictures. So once it is done generating the pictures, we can now turn these pictures into a video. So these are the pictures, and they look very, very cool. So on top here, you can basically say animate. So when you click on animate, you can give it a prompt of what you want this image to do and become, effectively turning it into a video. So this is also a video prompt that you can use, but you can basically write whatever you want so that it can use it to animate. You just come here, you want to give it something. So after that, you click on go and it's going to create the video. So as you can see, it says here your video is cooking. So you can exit this and you find them later. Now, this website allows you to create 5 videos. So we have, I've created 3 already. So what you have to do is, since it's from Google and it is free, you can create multiple emails to access this. So we are going to give it some time and you are going to see the final job it has done. So if you want it to include music, you can give it the kind of music, you can write it in the prompt and all of that. So after that, you want to give it some time to do the magic. So we're at 50% now and we are going to allow it to complete the magic. So our video is now done, and this is 8 seconds. So you can click on play the video, and as you can see, this is actually very good. So this fox is really angry and is ready to attack. So once you are done, you can basically click on download, and you can download this as a full video or as an animated GIF if you want. So I'm just going to download it into a full video, and now you have videos like this. So this is how you can use Veo 3 for free through Google Wix. So basically you can create multiple emails and you can access it for free. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. My name is Good Noel. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye-bye.